Planet for July 5th, 2022. Yes, I am coming to you from the car, and if the audio is off a little bit, or if things aren't working out, I hope I find out sooner than later because I have no real way of knowing. Um, I hope everybody's getting back from their Independence Day. You had a fantastic 4th of July. It was a lot of fun for me, and my voice might actually reflect how much fun it was for me as well too. But that's not why I'm sort of using this sort of message in this forum. We had to run an errand this morning, and I figured, hey, my kids really start feeling this sense of independence once they started driving. And it wasn't just the 4th of July that we were celebrating. We were celebrating the 3rd of July, which happens to be when I became the dad of an adult. So, what do those of us who have adults in our lives, young adults, and it doesn't have to just be an 18-year-old, it could be somebody who's much, I guess, older. It could be in their mid 20s, could even be in their 30s. But those younger adults in our lives, couple of quick things that I need to take care of, having a young adult child, but then also things that I think that everybody out there should be doing as well. A couple of quick things. So I'll start with the legal documents. If you have a young adult in your life, and that young adult, God forbid, went through a medical situation, this could be your grandchild, it could be a niece, nephew, it could be your child. What is your legal right to make decisions on behalf of those kids? Not a fun thing to think about, but a necessary thing to think about, especially for those of them who are make sure they have HIPAA authorizations. So it's important to make sure that we have those sets of documents in place. And again, a law firm can help you with that too. It's something that we do for our existing clients. So have those legal things in place. Now, the other thing, which isn't necessarily a must-have, but really smart thing to do, is we're now looking at one of the strongest job markets, and a lot of teenagers are actually working. This could be summer jobs while they're in high school. It could mean college jobs. They may not be making as much money today as they're going to be making at some point in the future. And there's a little bit of an advantage to that, which is, okay, I'm not making a lot of money. I'm actually allowed to contribute to a Roth IRA. Like, I could pay the taxes on money today that I earn, and it's going to be taxed lower than it would be taxed later when I start making more money. But because I don't make as much money right now, I can contribute to a Roth IRA, which is a tax-free account, up to $6,000. And parents can actually help them to supplement what they're putting in there too. I mean, there's some sort of rules you have to make sure you follow. Like, you can't put in more than you earned, but you don't have to put in your earnings. Parents can certainly supplement with that too, and up to 6 grand a year. You put that money in right now, and it's got a compounding effect of growing tax free. That money is never going to be taxed again, even when it's taken out. So something that you want to consider for young people, young adults who have summer jobs, who have just basically some employment right now that's keeping them at a lower income level right now. Well, I hope this is helpful. I'm going to keep today short because I know it's we're all getting back from the long weekend. But for those young people who have just gained independence, just make sure that you're looking at them from a legal perspective, from a tax perspective, from an investment perspective, and with compounding growth. And if there's anything that we can help you with, don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you stay safe. I hope you stay well, and I hope you enjoy this shortened week. All right, everybody. See you next week. Bye now.